As part of CURIOSOIL community, we also decided to offer workshops about soil literacy, where we would demonstrate 3 different techniques of how farmers, small scale or large scale, can protect their and enhance the life of their soils here in Crete. In the first workshop, we decided to demonstrate how to construct yourself some microbial inoculants, taking microbial life from the local ecosystems and reproducing it in order to inoculate the soils of our garden or our farms. In our second workshop, we demonstrated a technique called hot compost, where the participants built compost from local resources, which is full of life in comparison to the dead compost which they could buy from local stores.